Welcome back everyone, my name is Abdullah Gori from Alpha Technology, and in this video we will talk about how to create list in HTML. In HTML we have two type of list, order list and unordered list. So now in this example we will see that how we can create order list and unordered list, and we will also see why do we actually need to create a list. So if you are new on this channel, do subscribe our channel, press the bell icon so you get notification whenever we upload a new video to our channel. Now let's see an example and let's see why we actually need to use list tag. So let's say I have a website and I am writing a blog and I want to show the list of my favorite fruits to my user. Now I will say my favorite fruits, and here I will name my favorite fruits. So I will say apple, mango, banana, orange, pineapple. So now let's see the output of this page. So I will save this file, I will go back and I will press F5. So you can see the fruit name, my favorite fruit, apple, mango, banana, orange are on the same line. So how we ignore to make them on different lines? So let's say I will put this tag, this text in S2 tag. Okay. So if I go back and if I refresh it, so it's look good, but the remaining are not looking great. So what I will do, I will put them in P tag. So I have added all the list elements in P tag. Now if I go back and if I refresh this page, you can see it's look a bit fine now. So my favorite fruits, apple, mango, banana, orange, pineapple. But whenever we talk about good formatting, it's not looks like a good formatting. So it should be it should have a bit indent there or bit padding or margin there, then it should have a dot or numbers, so we can say that this is belongs to my favorite fruits title. Now what we can do, we can use the list tag for HTML. Now what I will do here, I will say H2 tag. In the H2 I will say my favorite fruits. Okay, if I refresh and go back, you will only see my favorite fruits there. Okay, I will come down and I will use the list tag that HTML provide us. Now there are two types of tag. First we will see the example of unordered list. So we will say UL. So UL is a tag. We will come down in the UL and here we will say LI. UL stands for unordered list, LI stands for list item. So here we will add our item like apple, then we will copy this 3 to 4 times and here we will say mango, banana, pineapple, orange. Okay. So I will go back and if I refresh this, you can see it's looking great. So you got my favorite fruits and in the fruits you got a list there. Okay. Another thing is that you can change the style or these dots or these bullets styles. So how do you change the bullets style? So here you will say type is equal to square. So if I save this and if I go here, if I refresh it, you can see that if I zoom it, so you can see it become a square. If I say here circle, it will become a circle. Circle means it will not be filled inside. So if I cut this thing, it by default become a bullet there. Okay. So you can use these list tags to make this sort of list. Now let's talk about the other one. So I will add this here. Now let's talk about the other list, where and why we use the other one list. Now let's say sometimes we need a ranking system. Okay, like let's say we have a S2, in the heading will say top 3 programming languages, or let us say top 5 programming languages. Okay. So, we will come down and here we need to use OL, because whenever we use OL, it means we are writing a list in which the order matters. In unordered list, the order does not matter, but if the order matters, you will use OL list. And here we will type the items. So, we will say li, and here I will say Python the number 1. I will copy paste them 5 times. So, you can see you can press Control C and then Control V, it will copy and paste it. So, after Python we have JavaScript, then we have Java, then we have C or C++, then we can say we have Go. Okay. Now, if I go back, if I make it zoom default and if I refresh it, you can see top 5 programming languages, and you can see there are numbers. Python is number 1, then JavaScript, Java, C++ and Go language. Okay. Now, after that you can also change the type of order list. You can say type is equal to, you can say A there. So, if you say capital A, the type will be capital A, B, C, D and so on. If you say small a, it will be in small a. If you say I, it will be in small Roman I. If you say capital I, it will be in Roman. Okay. So, I will say here 1, it will be in by default. So, that is how you will use order list and unordered list in your web page. Whenever you want to create this sort of list, you will use whether OL or UL. If the order is matter in your list, then you will use ordered list, which is OL. If the order is not matter in your list, then you will use UL. So, that is all from this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any question or suggestion, you can comment down below. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon so you get notification about all the upcoming videos.